Welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Today, we're exploring a fascinating natural enzyme called papain, extracted from the papaya plant. Papain is a powerful enzyme found in the leaves, fruits, roots, and latex of the papaya plant. It's widely used in food, medicine, cosmetics, and more. Let's dive into its various applications and the process of extracting it. 1. Food industry. Papain is commonly used as a meat tenderizer. It also helps clarify beer and is an important ingredient in some cosmetics. 2. Medicine. In medicine, papain is used to treat digestive problems like dyspepsia. It also helps remove dead tissues from wounds and is found in many over-the-counter digestive enzyme products. 3. Textiles and leather industry. Papain is used to degum silk and rayon fibers. It's also essential in tanning leather, making the material softer and more durable. Papain extraction process. Now, let's see how papain is extracted from papaya. Selecting the fruit. Choose papaya fruits that are 75 to 90 days old. Tapping the latex. Make small cuts on the fruit using a razor or stainless steel knife. Each cut should be shallow, about 0.3 cm deep, and run from the stalk to the tip. Make 4 evenly spaced cuts on each fruit. Collecting the latex. Tap the latex early in the morning, finishing before 10 a.m. Repeat this process on the same fruit every 3 days, up to 4 times. Collect the latex from all the trees and strain it to remove any impurities. Drying the latex. Dry the latex quickly at 50 to 55 degrees Celsius until it forms light, porous flakes. This can be done in the shade or using vacuum dryers for better quality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more insights into the amazing world of farming and natural products.